Welcome back to Kids Cookie Adventure, and today we're going to be making these delicious shortbread biscuits and shortbread Christmas tree decorations. Let's get started. You will need 150 grams of plain flour, 50 grams of caster sugar and 100 grams of unsalted butter cubed. Some Christmas shapes like a Christmas tree or a star, and a baking tray lined with baking paper. You might need two. Let's get started. First, we combine all the ingredients with our hands until the mixture looks like breadcrumbs. So we're halfway through the process. As you can see, they're getting some really nice breadcrumbs, but also quite a few big lumps of butter. So make sure all of them are rubbed in. And while we're doing this, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is what it should look like when you're finished, some nice even breadcrumbs. Now what we need to do is squish it into a dough. So this is what the dough should look like when you've squished it together. Now sprinkle some flour over a surface, put it on, and then roll it out to about a centimetre thick or something like that. So you've rolled it out to like somewhere around a centimetre thick. Now I'm going to cut out the shapes. Once you've cut them out, put them onto the tray. So these shortbread are very good Christmas decorations. So if you want to put some on the tree, get a toothpick or something like that. Poke a hole near the top, but not too near the edge, otherwise it's going to fall apart. And make a slight hole like that, so a rope can fit through it. And repeat these with a couple of them if you want to use them as Christmas tree decorations. So with your leftover dough, roll it up into a ball. So make sure to gather up all the dough. Sprinkle some more flour and roll it into 1 centimetre pieces again. So repeat this process until all the dough has been used up. So here's the last biscuit. Now that they're done, put them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Now that they're out of the oven, leave them to cool for 5 minutes. So they're all cooled down now, so to make them look really snowy, Christmassy and nice, get some icing sugar and sprinkle it onto the paper to make it look like snow and shake it around each one. So they look really snowy, like it's just snowing on them, which looks really, really nice. So now for the ones that we poked holes in, get 4 strings and poke them through the hole, tie a little knot, and we have a yummy Christmas decoration. Look at how good that looks, hanging on the Christmas tree. Let's have a look how it hangs on the Christmas tree. Look how good that looks. It's really, really nice. All the snow and stuff. Let's go back. So we've done all the strings and we've I made all the decorated all the shortbread nicely. Now I think now it's time to try them. Really, really tasty and crumbly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the button down below. See you next time. Bye!